I never wore makeup when I was younger. My face is as white as a ghost. But ghosts aren't even white. Oh jeez, my snot was falling out. I'm not even embarrassed by it because it's natural. Oh shit, I did it! Wait, I don't know if I did it. Oh yeah. Lashes, no lash. Lashes, no lash. Hello friends, family and people. I'm really excited for this video. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Today I will be doing a makeup video. I am going to try and do a cut crease. I have no idea how to do it. I just saw this video on YouTube this morning and I was like, maybe I should try it. I've never ever done a cut crease before. Mixed feelings. It can either go really good or really bad. I'm gonna get right into it because I don't want to waste any more time talking. This is just my blank face with nothing on it. I am going to just moisturize it. Just quickly do my base and then we'll get to the cut crease. So the two foundations that I usually use, Maybelline Fit Me one. It's the dewy one. I think it's called Physician's Formula. This was just given to me. Wet my beauty blender. I actually am not a makeup pro at all, so forgive me if I'm doing anything wrong. I usually do my makeup really quick anyway, and I feel like the quicker I do it, the better it turns out. Most of the time, I don't even do much to my face. Most of the time, I don't even wear foundation actually. I just wear concealer and lashes. The reason why I don't like taking too long on my makeup is because I feel like I look better with less anyway, because I've always been like a on-the-go type of person, so I always have makeup in my bag, makeup in the car. Most of the time it's just like very on the go, like I'll just put a little bit here and there and then I'll be done, you know. This is actually way too much foundation for me, but oh well, YOLO. YOLO. That's much better. Oh, no! Okay, now that foundation is done, just fix up my eyebrows. I'm not a very big eyebrow person, so I just kind of shade in wherever it's gapping. So for eyebrows, I usually just get like a brush, I don't know, like that. And then I'm using the chocolate bar palette, which is the only palette that I love, and it's actually one of my first ever palettes that I've gotten like years and years ago. So I'm just gonna quickly just fill in my eyebrows. I never wore makeup when I was younger because my mum never let me. She always thought that makeup ruined your skin and ruined your natural beauty. She never let me paint my nails, she never let me dye my hair. It was always this one straight cut. She never let me curl my lashes. She never let me do anything like beauty wise. So I feel like that's why I grew up looking like a boy. And now I kind of thank her for it, because I guess if I did wear makeup like from a really young age, my skin would have been ruined anyway. And I'm kind of grateful, yeah, because I don't have any like acne problems or skin problems, and it's just yeah, my skin's quite good. It's very easy to maintain. Now what should I do? Oh my god, those chapped lips. I saw on Desi Perkins' video that she put a whole lot of base primer all over the eyes and then set it. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, I think that's enough. If I can manage to do a cut crease today, I'm gonna be like, oh my god, my makeup has definitely upped its game. Just this with this. Oh shoot, that is way too much. Just get some off. My face is as white as a ghost. But ghosts aren't even white. I am going to try to put a color, what's it called? A trans something color. I don't know the proper terminology, but it's just a color here and then a darker shade, and a color here and a darker shade. I'm gonna go with this reddish dark orangey red shade by Etude House. Fluffy brush. Dip, 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 dip. Whoa. Do I need to sneeze again? Someone talking shit about me? I sneezed 3 times. I don't... Is that enough? Oh, it's... Ugh. Hopefully that's how it's meant to be. Yeah, I mean, it looks good. Is it circular motions or sweeping motions? Why not we do both? Begin on the stars. I think that looks right. I'm not sure if this color suits me because it looks a little bit too orange. Oh, I'm so bad at this. Okay, so now since I've done the transition shade, I'm going to add another darker shade just right at the outer corners of my eyes so it stands out. That's what I was told from the video. Semi-sweet. It's not too sweet, it's not too bland, it's semi-sweet. Ha 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 ha, I'm laughing at my own joke. Oh yes. Oh jeez, my snot was falling out. I'm sick guys, I'm sorry. I'm not even embarrassed by it because it's natural. Next step is to put concealer, I think, and then blink up, and then it'll make a crease, and then we can fill in the crease. And that is why it's called a cut crease. I'm excited! The trick I saw on the video is to line the bottom of your eyelid first and then look up and it'll make a dot and then you will fill it in. But good luck to me because I have no idea how this is going to turn out. So I'm going to look up. Oh! Oh shit, I did it! Wait, I don't know if I did it. Oh, I did it. Do you guys see that? That is my cut crease right there. It's perfectly laid out for me. How cool! I'm gonna fill in the gap now. I'm gonna try fill in the gap now. Oh, I don't know, this is not... Oh, this is harder than I thought it would be. You need to be so accurate. Oh yeah, how does that look? This is my excited, cool voice. Tip, do not drag your brush because it'll make a line. So just pat, 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 pat. Just gonna pat it in at the end, yeah. Okay, alright, and then it looks a little weird, but I can see how this is gonna transform my look. Time for the other side. This is actually fun, like I like it. Okay, now I'm gonna look up again. I can kind of see the line, but not as much as the other one, but I can still see it, so I'm just gonna fill that in. Do you guys see it? It's just that little line just there. Yep. Alright, and that is the cut crease that I have created. I mean, the look is not done yet because I still need to set it. I think that was the next step. I need to set it. I'm going to fix up the edges a tiny little bit now. Using like a really small brush, getting that same semi-sweet color and just outlining around the cut crease so it's more defined. actually, change of plans. I'm going to cover the cut crease with a glitter shade. Then I'm going to work on the outer corner because I feel like in that order it's a lot more easier. I'm going to go for this, what's it called? Napoleon glitter that I have. It's really nice. The shade Star Love, and it's like a loose glitter. I've always wanted to use this because I got it as a present, but I haven't used it. Oh, spritz. Just. It looks the same. How am I supposed to make it different? Maybe I'll add a bit of this creme brulee gold colour on top. Put some glitter and then dark glitter and then light glitter and dark glitter. And then now I'm just going to go back into Nude House palette with the reddish colour and just try to blend it all together. Back into Semi Sweet. I think we did it, guys. I think we did our cut crease. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone up here. Oh, bugger. Doesn't matter. Brow bone. Just a little bit. I'm gonna put a bit of liner and some lashes and we'll see the final look. Not too bad, huh? I'm gonna add a little bit of pop of colour on the inner corner. Because it's so pretty. And it's so light and elegant. Mini wing. I'm not very good at eyeliner, so excuse the mess. Ugh, I hate this. I'm trying so hard, guys. I'm trying really, really hard, but I just can't get it right. Now for my favorite part, lashes. All these ones. Yeah, I like these ones. Now the trick for lashes for me is the glue. If the glue is really bad, you won't be able to apply it properly and it'll just fall out throughout the day. Let it dry, let it dry. Can't hold you back anymore. Let it dry. Just push it. Yep. And then once the end is attached, you attach the inner corner. I sometimes like to push it in and blink down. Yep. Oh yeah. Lashes, no lash. Lashes, no lash. I'm gonna quickly bronze my face and then finish up with the rest. And then I think that is our makeup look. Okay, this is the final look that I've created. I'm actually quite happy with how the cut crease turned out. I mean, yeah. I'm so happy. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup look. Really cute, cutesy cut crease type. And I realized my nails match my inner corner. How funny. Yeah, I really enjoyed doing this for the first time. I mean, it was the very, very, very first time that I've ever done a makeup look like this. I mean, maybe I should do it more often. What do you guys think? Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.